Welcome. In this video, we'll discuss some basic GCBM troubleshooting tips and steps for advanced installation of the model. Most GCBM simulations will involve some trial and error to get new datasets processing correctly. Here are a few troubleshooting tips. Most of the tool and simulation logs can be found in the logs subfolder of the 1_standalone_template folder. It's a good idea to open and check the end of the moja_debug.log file first to make sure there aren't any errors in any of the land units. If errors are detected, users can start checking the other log files starting with the tools that were run first. For example, tyler_log.txt followed by update_gcbm_config.log, etc. Additional error information can sometimes be found in the error dimension table in the GCBM_output database. For GCBM run errors, if users don't see any obvious errors in the data preparation tool logs, they can try disabling the spin-up procedure or disabling modules one at a time until they isolate the exact module that is causing the problem. Displayed here are a few tips for running GCBM simulations. Users can configure the number of threads to use in the local domain section of the GCBM_config.json file. They should try to match the number of cores in their machine up to a maximum of 10. Users should start small by using a lower resolution. When setting up the Tyler script, set the bounding box resolution to something coarse like 0.01 for the initial run. Once everything is working, change the resolution to something finer like 0.00025. For large projects, users can always scale up to cloud computing or multiple machines with some extra configuration and scripting. This slide and the next are for reference only and display the setup for system environment variables if users want to move them out of the various GCBM batch files. This concludes the introduction to the GCBM video series. In the next series, viewers who have downloaded the GCBM software and training components from Canada's National Forest Information System website can follow along with a video tutorial series on adapting the GCBM template to their own circumstances.